Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Apple ID and you want to reset your iPhone password like this, if you enter here the setting, then general, then transfer your setting, erase all content and settings, and then continue, keep my eSIM and erase the data. And we need to add here the Apple ID password. This time I totally forget this password. So how set this password? So using TunesKit iOS system recovery, this platform are help you to reset your iPhone if you totally forget your password. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration on my Mac screen. I just simply open Google, type here TunesKit iOS system recovery. First link is display here. Even I already added this link in video description. Fix 150 plus iOS issue like white Apple logo, boot loop and black screen as well. So all the features they are explaining here which problem you are facing. Today we target how to reset your iPhone if you forget the password. The software available for Windows and Mac as well. So I use it here in Mac. I just simply try install here. Software size is very small. After downloading, you just simply click twice, agree, just simply drag and drop the software. Using this process, you can very easily install the software in your Mac. The software size is very small, like a 72 MB only. After install the software, we can click here app section. I just simply click here, open the software. The software look like this. I get this subscription of the software, so I just simply add here my subscription. So my register is successfully done. I get this subscription plan. If you want purchase the software, the prices is here 1 year, 1 month and lifetime. I personally purchase here lifetime license. We can go back here and then you need to connect your iPhone first of all here. So today I just simply target here reset your device password if you totally forget. I click here the two process, one is as a standard one and factory reset. So simply click here standard one. If you remember the password of your iPhone, so you should simply reset your iPhone like enter the setting, general, transfer and reset iPhone, and then very easily put it the password and reset and remove all types of contents. And second one, if you totally forget the password in Apple ID, so you should use here factory reset. As a factory reset point of view, here iPhone 8 or later 7 plus and other devices as well, which device you have. So I just simply use here C-type cable and connect my iPhone here, and look at this here, my iPhone is automatically display here and the model number as well and firmware. We need to download the firmware here 27 beta and download the firmware. The firmware size is around 10 GB. You need to spend here 1 to 2 minutes to download entire firmware in your laptop. Afterwards you can very easily reset your iPhone. Wait couple of seconds to download this process. So look at this here, our framework has been downloaded successfully. Please ensure the device fully charged and always connected to the computer through the USB. If you click here, downloading the framework, you need to connect your iPhone to your laptop. And then second process you need to do here, start the process. So first of all, here in the mobile screen, volume up and volume down button we need to press here, and next process come your mobile phone always come to the recovery mode, and afterward we need to select here the firmware, which framework we downloaded, and then simply click here reset, and afterward we need to spend here around 5 to 10 minutes to complete this entire process like a factory reset process. So this factory reset process we already download the framework. The process is once you click the reset button, it will ask you to make confirmation, then the factory reset process will begin. Keep your iPhone always connected all time until the process come to the end. Your iPhone will be restored to factory setting without any passcode, and you can set up again. Reset is completed is showing, it means my iPhone is unlocked using this process. Welcoming to iPhone, and you are eligible to access your iPhone totally in new condition without putting any password using TunesKit iOS system recovery software. I already added link in video description. If you have any question, You can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.